guys, I'm Thawapriyan.
I'm Jaypriya.
So today we're back with another video, which is...
So it's actually a type of drink.
Yes.
So we're gonna make homemade tea.
Yeah, because a lot of people drink a lot outside, so we're gonna be trying to make homemade tea. So before the video starts, make sure to subscribe
and also like.
Thanks for watching.
So we also need 3 tablespoons of tea powder. So we also need 3 tablespoons of white sugar, but you can also put brown sugar optionally.
So we also need 6 pieces of cardamom. So I have here 1 ginger piece that I cut like this and also peel off the skin. Used 1.5 cup of water, so it could be the same size as your tea cup.
So we also need 4 cups of milk, but a cup just like this, so 4 cups of milk, just like I said. So now I showed you what is needed.
Yes, so now we're gonna prepare the tea. So the first step, we're gonna put the water into the tea pan, and then we're just gonna be like boiling it.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. When it boils, then we're gonna put the other ingredients in. So I put 1 cup, so now I'm gonna put the half cup into the teapot.
The same cup like before.
So we're gonna put the ginger and cardamom, and then we're gonna mush it into pieces. So we're gonna put it inside.
I'm gonna smash it.
Yeah, then I'm gonna smash it. Having fun?
Yeah, smashing is fun.
Smash harder.
Smash, smash, smash.
Not that hard
Smash,
here.
smash.
Since she doesn't know how to do it that much, I'll do it.
Can I hold it? Just look how
Keep smashing it. So as you can see here in my hand, I have an extra cardamom. So if you smash it good, then it's going to be smell good. It's going to smell nice if you smash it and push it hard into the cardamom. See?
Wow, it's so green.
So we mush the cardamom and the ginger. So once the water is boiled, we're going to put it inside. So we're going to take the teapot's lid off
and put it here.
Boiled.
Wow.
Okay, now put this aside. So see the mushed cardamom and the ginger, we're gonna put it inside the water.
Gently.
Okay. Then we put it. So you have to continue boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes. So all of them come together, the ginger, cardamom. So we're gonna put the tea powder inside.
Later.
Yes.
Or
put it now.
Okay, I'll put it now.
Okay.
Whoa.
Good. Now that has to boil with it. So if you don't want to use the tea powder, the filtered one, you could just simply use a tea bag. Yeah, you can use a tea bag.
Yep.
So we're boiling it. Make sure the ginger, the cardamom, and the tea powder, everything is boiled good. So this has been boiling for about 5 minutes. It could be more, it could be less, but like, yeah, it should boil good. And then we're gonna add the milk. So we're gonna put the first cup of milk. So now the second cup of milk. Oh yeah, this color is turning brown. So now the third cup of milk. Oh yeah, it's turning light brown, guys. So now the last cup of milk. Now put the lid on top and it's ready when it steams up. So it's boiled good. It takes 5 minutes to boil, so we boiled it. So now we're gonna add sugar. So we're gonna start mixing it.
Make sure you mix it good.
You have to mix it really good. Make sure everything comes together.
Okay, and now I'm gonna put the sugar. Gently.
It looks like a whirlpool. Keep mixing good. Make sure the sugar blends in with all the stuff to make the perfect good tea.
So now the tea is ready, so now we're gonna filter it. So now we're gonna filter it into the cup. Make sure you filter it good.
So the ginger and cardamom could be filtered. It has to be filtered out.
So now we're gonna pour it into these cups. Tea cups actually. So now we're gonna pour it into the other cup, which is the second cup.
So wow, my tea is looking tasty. So now I'm gonna try it out.
Delicious.
Now it's ready to drink.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna taste test it.
Delicious.
Here, you go first. Give it 100 out of 100 too. I would get 1,000 out of 1,000. It's very good for you. The cardamom and the ginger makes it smell good. It tastes very sweet. It tastes very good as well.
I can't stop drinking it.
I can't stop drinking it. It's very like thirst quenching. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. So thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.